How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, where I catch precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today I want to go over if I had to buy a stock in one of my most highest conviction trades in the whole entire market, and if I was going to choose one stock, it would be DRCT, Direct Digital Holdings Inc. And I'm going to show you guys exactly why and how this has the potential to really move up big according to the float, the low volume, and if it really starts picking up, it can move massively. And before I get into this video and discuss my strategy, where do I plan it to go, where do I like to add, and all that, do take the time to join the premium Discord for only 20 cents a day or $6 a month. You can find the link down below in the YouTube comments or the description below. It has an over 95% win ratio, and we make money consistently month after month. And I've been doing this strategy for over 6 years, and this is a full-time swing trading strategy. And you can quit your job as long as you do exactly what I do, and I will make you guys massive profits. So here's the chart, and look at this big massive run up we had from $9 to 35, or even way down here from all the way from 2 to 35, right? And it's just had some big moves ups, and then it corrects, and then some massive, now we're on a massive downtrend and downslide. But you might be asking, like, well, how do you know when to buy this? Like, should you because a lot of people probably bought right here on this first big red candle down from, a high of $35, and it went to like 13, and they're like, oh, that's a big haircut, 100% loss right there and then, and they probably bought it. And but guess what we have done? Consistently went down. What I focus on is time distance. I do not look at any stock that made a big move down on the first move down, because the reason why I don't look at it is because of right here. This right here is your EMA 5, 10, and 20. The bottom purple is the 5, the yellow is your 10, and the light blue is your 20. And the reason why I don't buy on those first big down moves, because as you can see on this candle, this price is all connected to all the EMAs. And then right in here on this candle, I'm telling you, if you guys learn how to use the EMAs this way, you will be a massively profitable trader. Right here is where a lot of people got learned. They're like, holy crap, the stock's down 100%. I'm going to buy. This could easily give me a 20-30% correction. But guess what it does? It goes down repeatedly, because this is right here is your first day of time distance. Get that through and study it. A lot of people use crosses. They have all these different tactics, and time distance is the number one thing that I have researched that is so important for this strategy. The exponential moving average. So once you have this first candle, this is 1 day of not hitting these bands up in here. So 1 day, then 2 days. This is your 3rd day, 4th day, and 5th day. Because it's clearly seen you haven't touched any of the bands. So right in here is 1 week, and we keep going and going and counting how many times we haven't touched the EMA 10 and the EMA 20. The EMA 5 is irrelevant, and we only use that EMA 5 to make sure price is under it, and then we can accumulate properly. Because obviously I don't want to buy if price is really right on the EMA 5. Could it go above it? Absolutely. But I want to make sure there's, little time distance of 1 or 2 days, and just mainly to make sure price is under the EMA 5. So if we look at the time distance, we have 326, and the current date is 514. You guys do the math on that. 326 to 426 is 1 month of time, and 426 to 514, you're looking at about a month and like 2 or 3 weeks, right? So anything that doesn't touch the EMA 10 in 1 month is extremely rare, which is this bottom band here. But as you can know, as price goes down and as time goes, the EMA 10 is going to correct. So we want to make sure we're getting an entry as close as possible or near the lower band, which is this green band. Does it have to touch? No, it doesn't, especially because time distance is the most important factor. But we are relatively close to the lower band where I feel comfortable about it. And then the EMA 20 is more as a target that will hit too. So what I do like to see is we have a bigger target range to the EMA 20, and then we have a nice, decent range to the EMA 10 for a nice gain. Right in here, we just hit, I did take this trade for you know, a decent 5 to 10% gain today. As you can see, this had a nice upper wick here, but it's been just selling off constantly on this EMA 5. It won't let it get above it, right? So we had this low, no, upper wick. What I'll be waiting for is price to get, you know, kind of down here a little bit more, and I will start accumulating massive shares for closest possible to that EMA 10, right? So yeah, this is really, if you look at this thing can move. When you watch the price action, it'll go from 390 to 420 in like minutes. And that's what happened. And I was like, I gotta take that gain. It was just so freaking nice, right? And I recorded it, I alerted in my Discord. I even show you guys. If you join the Discord, you're gonna see my exact entries, right? I bought DRCT right here before the bell at 3.87. But I did buy it before, and I said right here, gonna sell DRCT at 424 if it fails to capitalize on this gain and reset my average as it's approaching EMA 5, so could pull back. D8, and then I said, dang, now 11% up on DRCT. Take the profit on this one as it's volatile and can go down fast. And that's what it did. It went from like a high of today at 444, and it went all the way back down to a low of, or it closed at 386. I filled at 387. Do I think I got the bottom? Absolutely not. I never try to say I get the exact bottom, so I use accumulation rules to properly accumulate. But I know these EMA 10s and 20 are going to get hit, and I expect them to get hit very soon. So do keep that in mind. And also, a very unique fact, this is the first time we had 214,000 volume coming in, so it's picking up a lot of eyes the more this stock has just been obliterated. As you can see, this has not been getting lots of volume. It's been getting 80,000, you know, on average, right? As I'm scrolling down, we haven't really hit, we hit 100,000 here and there, but we've hit, you know, some decent volume, some eyes caught on because the price was going up pretty fast today, right? So, like I said, guys, if I was going to choose one stock to buy that has massive upside, that had a big correction, that is super undervalued, and can make a big move, and that is going to be DRCT. This is extremely volatile, so you don't have to have a lot of money to make a lot of money, but this stock can easily do it for you guys. I really want you guys to be successful. I want the best for you guys. I would not just, you know, throw out picks that don't make sense. This stock here can do it for you guys. And like I said, I'm very transparent. If you guys have not joined the premium Discord, do take the time to do it. I'm telling you, I know I'll alert a stock and a month later it'd be probably down from now, but I probably already made money, right? So you can't really judge by my YouTube videos. You got to judge by, I have my RTK journal. You can see right in here, I have a journal, a spreadsheet. You can see my exact entries, my wins and losses as I started doing this. So I really hope you guys are going to be happy with it. I have the accumulation video right in here. I have my swing trading indicators to get your chart look like this. If you want to see all this research where I'm going to work my butt off and I promise you'll be profitable, that I guarantee, you're going to want to join the Discord. I'll put the link down below into the YouTube comments and the YouTube description below where you can join this community and have an amazing track record to boost your win rate tremendously. And when you click that link down below in the YouTube comments where it says join the premium Discord for my alerts, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is hit the premium chat under subscriptions. Right here where my cursor is, it'll opt you to subscribe for only 20 cents or $6 a month. And if you do it on your computer, it is slightly cheaper than if you do it on your phone because your phone will charge an iOS fee. I'm really happy with this video. I really think this is going to be a big banger of a play of at least 10 to 20%. I don't see why you can't get that. And like I said, we're going to target the EMA 10s and 20s. These are going to fluctuate, so you're going to want this system. The EMA 20 has massive room to $6 from here, so it can give us almost 100% gain. So this is looking really nice, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you did like it, give it a like, subscribe, and comment what you think. It helps the channel out tremendously when you do that, guys. I really appreciate it, and it makes me want to make more videos. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And really, guys, join the premium Discord. I made it at an all-time low cost where you cannot deny it because I promise you, I will make you profitable. So I hope to see you guys there, and peace out.